don't have a time problem. You have a feeling problem. Here's proof. Give someone a 5-minute task and they dread and they'll stretch into an hour. Give the same person 45-minute task they enjoy and they'll finish it in 20 minutes. Energized. Same clock, same brain, completely different speed. So today, forget everything you have heard about time management. I am going to show you exactly what actually happening in your brain when you delay easy things and the exact science back system to fix it. Stay to the end because tip number 4 is the one that changes everything. Why we delay easy things. Research used to think procrastination was a discipline problem. New research says otherwise it's an emotional regulation problem. Here's what's happening. Your brain has two systems, impulsive and the prefrontal cortex. Rational focus on the future when a task feels boring, hard, or threatens your ego. The limbic system panics and says, "This feels bad. Let's do something else." Your phone, snacks, cleaning your desk instead of writing the report. You get a small dopamine hit from the escape relief now. But the task didn't disappear. It's still sitting there growing heavier. This explains something strange. People don't just avoid boring tasks. Often they avoid tasks that matter most to them. A student avoid the assignment they actually care about. Why? Because when something matters, failing at it would hurt more. The brain protects you by making not start at all. If you never begin, you can't be judged. There's also a simpler force at work, temporal discounting. Your brain values an immediate reward for more than a future one. Even when the future reward is objective bigger, that's why scrolling for 5 minutes how feels more appealing than the future you who submit the project early and feels calm. None of this means you are lazy. It means your brain is doing exactly what it evolved to do. Chase comfort now, worry about later. The science backed fix. So how do you actually outsmart this? Not with willpower, with structure that works with willpower, with structure that works with your brain instead of against it. First, shrink the task before you start it. The brain resists big vague tasks because they trigger anxiety before you have even begun. Break the assignment, project, or workout into a piece so small it feels almost too easy to refuse. Not write the essay. Write one paragraph. The goal is to remove the emotional barrier at the starting lines because starting is 90% of the battle. Second, use the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Don't schedule it. Scheduling small tasks costs more mental energy than doing them. Third, time box. Don't time hope. Give every task a hard deadline, even artificial ones. This is called Parkinson's law. Perk expand to feel the time available. A report with no deadlines takes a week. The same report with no deadlines take a week. The same report with a 2-hour limits take 2 hours. Your brain perform better under defined edge. Fourth, and this is the one most people skip, attach a reward to starting, not finishing. Because your brain runs on immediate gratification. Don't wait until the task is done to feel good. Build in a small reward the moment you start. A check mark telling someone I have started. You are hacking temporal discounting by giving the present moment brain something to want right now. Fifth, protect your best hour. For your hardest task, most people have 2 to 4 hours a day where focus is naturally higher. Usually mid-morning. Don't spend that window on email. Spend it on the one task you had otherwise avoid. For student versus career people. Now here's how this splits depending on your life. If you are a student, your enemy is vague, distant deadlines. An exam 3 weeks away doesn't feel urgent to your brain today. Fix this by creating fake deadlines. Every 2-3 days, study in 25 minutes. Focus block the with 5-minute break. This is the Pomodoro method. and it works because it matches your brain natural attention span from the before fatigue sets in. And separate learning from reviewing. Don't just reread notes. Testing yourself burns material into memory far faster than rereading even will. If you are building a career, your enemy is other people's urgency. Hijack your day, message, meetings, quick calls that aren't quick. Fix this by time blocking your calendar before the week start, not react to it as it comes. Protect one deep work and block daily way notifications are off, and apply the 2-minute rule ruthlessly to email. Most inbox 80% of 2-minute task discussed as big obligation. Different environments, same underlying fix. Shrink your peak hours. Time management has never really about, it's about managing the feelings that show up right before you start. Control that feeling and the minute take care of themselves. Pick one tip from this video, just one. Use it today on one task you have been avoiding, not tomorrow, today, because later is exactly the trap we just talked about. Quick reference, 5 tips. First, shrink the task before starting. Second, do 2-minute task immediately. Third, time box everything, Parkinson's law. 4, reward the start, not the finish. Fifth, protect your peak focus hour for hard task. Subscribe.